The process of creation can be fun. It can be messy. It can be spontaneous. But no matter what you create or how you create, artistic self-expression is about falling in love with who you are as an individual. The creation of nail art starts and ends with you. In this video, we're going to take you behind the scenes to show you how our process of creation directly links to yours. First, our marketing and product development team collaborate together to decide what nail art designs we want to create. We aim for our products to easily translate your creative ideas into art forms of self-expression. Once the concept is chosen, our nail art stylist does massive amounts of research. Depending on the idea, research can take days. We look at everything from history, science, fashion trends, photography. The pool of ideas come from everywhere, including you. After research is complete, we work with our graphic designers to recreate the ideas onto a nail plate layout. Then the finalized designs are sent to our team in China for stamping plate development. It takes our factories 17 steps to make a nail stamping plate. But to sum it up, the metal sheet is prepared while the designs are being programmed to the machine that engraves the metal. Then, the nail designs are etched onto the nail plate, and then it proceeds for branding and packaging. We receive multiple samples to test and review each design, as well as perfect the packaging when the product comes in. Our marketing team gets to work and starts creating photo and video content, in addition to producing pieces of writing. This is what you see on our social media, newsletters, and our website. Throughout the whole production process, the entire team is thinking of you.
My name is Kelly, and I've been doing nail art for about 1.5 years now. Maniology has just been there with me like the whole way. I started with them, and I never had a creative outlet before I discovered nail art, and now I use their Maniology stamping plates and polishes all the time. And it's just really been a great way to get my energy out and creative juices flowing, and it's been great. On my fingers right now, I'm actually wearing a stamping design from their Botanicals collection, and I love their Botanicals collection. It's so cute. And I'm also wearing this purple color called Marzipan. And I love Bundle Monster, aka Maniology's stamping polishes. They're just so pigmented, and their stamping plate images turn out so crisp and awesome. I love it so much. One other thing I really love that saves so many manicures is their smudge-free top coat. Cannot live without this stuff. Cannot.
Hi guys, I am absolutely loving Maniology, and I wanted to do a little quick review of their Mani X Me subscription box, which comes with these great plates and some stamping polishes. I was able to do this great little design I spotted on their Instagram. This manicure is actually 10 days old and has held up really well. The company itself has been wonderful with really great customer service. Their stamping plates are high quality, really clear designs. The stamping polish itself, I used the black and the pink here, really clear, very vibrant, absolutely loving it. So I hope that you give Maniology a chance also, because I am really enjoying everything I've gotten from them so far.
This is a mani I just did from the recent plate released by Maniology, Just a Girl and Her Nails. I really like the images on this plate, but my very favorite are these cute little mermaid tails. I really like all the Maniology plates because they have so many options to choose from, and you can be really creative. I like doing nail art because it allows me to show my personality on just tiny little canvases. Anytime that I want to relax, I find that I turn to nail art, and Maniology lets you do that in quite an easy way. Their customer service is very responsive if you ever have any questions, and you can find all types of plates at maniology.com.
Hi, Beck from Nail Art with Beck. I'm here to show off my Halloween themed manicure I was able to make with products that were included in the October subscription box, Mani by Me. The box came with 2 exclusive plates, Halloween themed. It also came with these 2 sets of little tattoos that all match images and sayings from the plates. So that was like a fun extra. I got my new favorite rectangular stamper, picked up perfect, transferred perfect. I will probably only use this from now on. So definitely invest in the rectangular stamper. It's amazing. It also came with 2 colors. The purple is Boy's Tears, and the orchidy color, pink, is Corpse Flower. What I really liked was they gave me an idea for Halloween that wasn't orange and black and scary. It was feminine. And I really appreciated that. So thank you for making Halloween more me.